Can you get the contraption and put this?
Sure. And here too.
Yep. The smoke. I can't turn on.
Contraption and smoke.
Yep. No.
Burning, no. I just burned my.
Alright, take this.
You're gonna be quiet, calm, okay?
Hey Josh, can you get that knife? I think it's in the middle hive white. Thank you.
Yep.
All right, so I took this, I cut this brood comb off. It's all drone brood and I want to do a little experiment with it. If you're squeamish, you might want to look away for a little bit. But what we are going to be doing is testing the drone brood for Varroa mite. The mites prefer the drone brood because the drone brood is bigger than worker brood. Just checking for mites. I'm not seeing any. Gosh darn it. Can you go put this in the wax melter for the 2 trips? Thank you very much for watching our video. If you liked it, please click on the thumbs up icon below. Be sure to share it with your friends, your family, anyone who might like bees and beekeeping. If you haven't done this yet, you should subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything and it means the world to me. When you do subscribe, click on that bell next to the subscribe button and you'll get notifications on when I upload my next video. Thank you very much and have a great day.